Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys in Infinix mobile guys display brightness setting. And today video title is guys how to change screen timeout, how to increase screen timeout in Infinix mobile. Friends, you have screen timeout problem, so how to solve screen timeout problem. Friends, your phone screen just off minute and second, so how to fix and how to increase screen timeout in Infinix mobile, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, open, click the bell icon, like the video, and friends now open your phone setting. After done phone setting friends, open your phone display brightness setting. After get display brightness setting friends, you can use your phone adaptive brightness setting, eye care mode setting, wallpaper setting, dark theme. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable dark theme, and you can disable. Friends, open your phone screen timeout setting and increase your screen timeout 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, and 30 minute last. So friends, I will increase here 1 minute. So friends, you can check my phone screen will not off just second. My phone screen will off after 1 minute if I do not tap on my screen. And friends, again if you click here, and friends if you select your 15 second and 30 second screen timeout, so friends you can check after 15 and 30 second screen will off automatic. And friends, don't tap on your screen after 15 second, automatic your device screen will off. Wait and watch. So like that friends, your screen will off automatic. So friends, increase your phone screen timeout and guys your problem will solve. Friends, I will increase here 2 minutes. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.